how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'll show you several ways you can do this. The first one would be to click the Windows Start button on your taskbar. Now, as you can see, this opens up the Windows Start menu. Now you want to click All Apps in the top right, which opens up all the apps that you have on your PC, as you can see. Now, in order to delete one of these or uninstall one, let's say we want to uninstall Steam, we hover over it, right click. Now what you can see, there's this bin icon, which says uninstall next to it. This is one way you can uninstall apps on Windows 11. The next one would be to go back, click the Start menu button, and then click Settings. Once you're in the Settings, you want to go over to Apps on the left, click that, and then Apps and Features at the top. This might take some time because this has to load the whole app list, so every single application you have installed on your PC. And you can see, let's scroll down to Steam again. PS, there you go, Steam. And then you see these three dots on the right. Click those and then you can uninstall as well. Now the last but not least option would be to click the search icon and search for Control Panel. There we go. Left click that. Now, if you don't see these icons, but this is what you want. So under View By, you need to go to Category. And then under Programs, this is the old one from Windows 7. This is how it looks in Windows 7. You can click Uninstall a program. And this opens up the original Windows 7, I think, uninstaller. And then you can scroll down until you see M, then S, Steam, there you go. And then you can click Uninstall over here. That's 3 ways to uninstall apps on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.